Chapter 3, Part 32. Jalal one day was going from his college into the town, when by chance he met a Christian monk who made him an obeisance. Jalal asked him which was the elder, himself or his beard. The monk replied, "I am 20 years older than my beard." It came forth that number of years later. Jalal answered him, "Then I pity thee. Thy young beard has attained to maturity, whereas thou hast remained immature. As thou wast, thou art as black and as weak and as untutored as ever. Alas for thee, if thou change not and ripen not." Now, when people talk like this, it's not about the physical condition. It's about what's being done with the physical condition. The poor, well, I mean, the person age, but you know what I mean, that one sentence. The poor monk at once renounced his rope girdle, threw it away, professed the faith of Islam, and became a believer. Islam is not something that started with Muhammad. It means surrender, submission. The implication, of course, being to God.